the most technologically advanced spinning wheel built.
Today we're gonna pin a collapsible stock.
One-piece machine gearbox. One-of-a-kind easy access system for a lifetime of painless maintenance.
Stock.
And legendary performance.
You got your pin, drill bit, your hammer, and your punch, and the drill. Take the drill, drill the hole.
Introducing the Sperry ASV solution, the first boat shoe
the
to reduce
pin,
vibration up to 40%.
stick it in the hole.
Sperry ASV solution. Feel the spray, not the shock.
Hammer, bang it in.
It's Monday. Some people will stick with
You
their
take the
old
punch.
vitamins and minerals. Others will try incredible Total Raisin Bran with 100%
You finish tapping it in.
essential vitamins and minerals, juicy raisins, and crunchy whole
After
grain
that,
flakes. Guess it's all about what kind of crunch
you have a
you
collapsible stock. It won't move.
Well, I'll take a value, I take a rain.
How you do a collapsible stock? Pin it yourself. So they take it to the gunsmith. Charge you more. And it costs you 5 minutes of your time. And the pin costs 10 cents. That's all. You got it done. That's the way you do it. Another one I have to do later. It's not pinned yet. I'll spin it later. And this is it. Complete finish one. All done, ready to go. That's the way you do a collapsible stock. You're going to pin it yourself. Little pin hole right there. That's it, easy. Do it yourself.
So we are fighting the clock at the golf course.
Fucking glasses, huh?
Right now we're having to make a move. Golfers are